this one we're going to go into show you about how to do links, adding links into your new flyers and your new promotions section here. So first of all, we're going to log into the back end here with my administration password. Okay, the dashboard, of course. Now, as we know, to do the new flyers, now we go into the posting section, not the pages. You're aware of that. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to click edit, and now we're going to show you how to work this. Okay, first of all, we start with this is what the page is currently, and that's that we're happy with. That's good. I want to show you a couple things. If you need to extend this picture because it's you know, condensed in here or something, there's this little area here. You can pull that open. Just a little information for you know, for ease of use and for you in the future. Now, first, here's the section here. Now, we don't want to highlight the entire text, because what that does is it creates this whole thing being a download area, which is not what we want, because this one is to state about clicking the picture. Has nothing to do with and this is for downloading a PDF. So here's how we change it. First of all, I'm going to go in here. I'm going to highlight this, and that is what the highlighted area is, the one that we're going to make being the active link. So let's go into upload and insert, because this is the one that I've shown you generally to use previously. Yes, these sections right here for the link, edit, insert link, and unlink can be used here, but it's going to take some steps that I don't think are necessary for you and use things and make things difficult. So I'm not going to deal with that in this case. So there, it's highlighted. I'm going to go into upload insert. Click there. Now it gives us this page, which you've seen many times. Top these tabs: URL, gallery, media library. I'm going to start from the very first one and explain what each one's for really quickly. From computer is where you select here where it says select files, and you find the file on your computer so that you can actually upload it to the site. Once you do that once, it is already there. It will exist on the site, and if you do it again, you're going to create multiple files of the exact same thing, which fills up your database a lot quicker. I'll show you later how to delete some of those things, but in this case, just so you're aware, once it's there, it's there. You don't need to do it again, even if you have some problems with your link not working and things, because you're going to have multiple things happen here. I'm going to skip this one real briefly and show you what happens and where you can find that file. So say you've already uploaded, you had some difficulties, and you're going back in to do it a second time. You click the add media, you open this file, or this. As we click gallery, you're going to see that there's a whole bunch of different ones here. You can see these two here in particular, you know, are visually the same thing. Oh, and down here there's another one that is the same thing. What's happened there is we've had some multiple uploads of the same file. So once it's uploaded, you don't have to worry about doing it again. Just go in here into the gallery section, because the gallery is media files that are existing for that particular page or posting that you're on. So in this case, we'd say, hey, this is the one we want. We're going to click show. I'm going to make this lowercase, PDF on lowercase, just so we can see where the change happens. Okay. I'm going to say insert into post. So I didn't upload anything from the computer, but there it is. And look, now it's lowercase, so this entire text has changed to this now, and that is the active link. Now, if we update this, that's now going to become live on the page. So after you've viewed this, please take a look on the page. You're going to see it. This is what it looks like. And this has already been updated. We're good there. I'm going to show you over here. We've got the media library. Okay, so here's media. Pop-up menu says library. We're going to go to library. So here we are. I'm going to change and go to another page till we find this. Actually, we have two red mugs. This one obviously was a GIF that had a black background, and you didn't want that, so you uploaded the new one. Great, that works on the page, but this file in itself is actually not linked to anything anymore. It no longer exists as far as it being shown on the site. However, the actual file does exist and is taking up space. So here we're going to go, and I'm going to click there, delete that permanently. Yes, we don't want to have that anymore. That's for one individual file, and look, it's gone. We won't have to deal with that or see that anymore. I'm just taking a quick look through. You can see there as I scroll through, it's gone. Now I'm going to show you how to do multiple files at the same time, because that can get a little cumbersome having to do click one, click one, click one. Let's find a page where we have multiple. There we go. What we have here, if we go to the brown almond mugs here, we have two of those. So I'm going to click this button right here. And then I'm going to scroll up here and look at this. We have here in the acrylic and stainless section, we have two of the red ones. So I'm going to click that button to the side there. And what this is doing is allows us to click multiple files on this one particular page, and then we go up to the very top and it says bulk actions, and it's literally what it says. It's going to in a bulk level, it's going to take all the ones that we have actually selected here and do what we say for it to do. In this case, delete permanently, And as soon as we click apply, it will take those out. So click that, and they're gone. So we don't have the multiple files in there. Here's another solid black one that I missed here. You know what? I can do it that way, or I can do it this way. Same idea. Down at the bottom here, click there, delete permanently, apply. That one's going to be gone. Now, I would ask that if you have a moment now and then, if you wouldn't mind taking a look through and go through these 22 pages. It's not a lot of work, but you can go through and get rid of all the multiples like we have in here. There's only one thing that could be an issue, and I'll show you how that could happen right here. I'm going to get rid of these green mugs because we have 3, and get rid of the I guess it's black, not purple, the black one, and go down here, and that's all the ones we're going to get rid of. So I'll delete that, and delete permanently, gone. Now let's check, because we don't want to accidentally be deleting files that the pages are referring to. So I'm going to scroll back up here, go to Pages, View All Pages, here we go. Down here under the Ceramics page, and click and Edit. The only reason we're clicking to Edit is it's going to help us to see what's differences and stuff. Hold it really quickly here. You notice this little popped up saying there's an autosave of this post that more recent than this version. Don't worry about that. What that is if you've been on the page and you decided not to save something, it will automatically save different versions just in case something goes wrong for you without you having to update it. So this is taking place because I did something testing before I went into this video. Don't worry about that. This is the one we want to work with. This is the actual live one on the site. So let's scroll through here, and we're going to find kind of almond color mug is, and make sure it's listing as it's supposed to on the site. Okay, this one here, we deleted those extra files. Bonus, those are still there. That means the ones we left are the ones that it was just a bit more. While I'm here, I'm just going to do something really quick. The gray outlines, which aren't consistent with the rest of the site. So click on editing this, go to Advanced Settings, Border 0, and we want that to open in the window too. With this one here, into the image settings. Now this is actually the link to that file when it opens in a new window. Just border 0, open in window, and done. Takes away the gray border, and again, more consistency across the site. So let's go across down here. Okay, another one. Let's get that one. Settings, border 0, and open new window. That's been done already, so that one's fine. Now let's see, we're almost at the end here. I didn't see that almond mug. Now that could be exactly a good spot to be able to teach you how to fix that, because that was the point. Oh no, my apologies. There it is right there. Okay, so it did work. Let's just say we go in though and it is missing. Obviously not something you want to do. What we're going to do is click in the window where you want that to appear. We're going to go to the upload insert, as you know how to get that gallery thing that I showed you before. We don't have to find that on your computer anymore. This isn't necessary. It's already been uploaded. We are aware of that. We go to gallery, click that. The gallery again is showing all of the graphics and media that has been used for this particular page. So now that that opens up, we just go in through and take a look, and we can find and say, okay, it was the, that's me getting mail, don't worry about those noises. Okay, it's the brown almond one. We would go show, and then insert. We no longer have to upload that picture because it already exists. And go back to hide. As I say, this shows all the media that has ever been used on this page. And even in here, you may notice it's just some multiples and things like that. You know, that can be a way to decipher where you want to get rid of things. I'm just going to close it because we don't need to add this picture actually. And again, you can go up into the anyway, that's it. I hope that all makes sense to you. I'm just going to get out of this page, and it's probably going to say, do you want to leave? Are you sure? And I'm going to say, yes, I want to leave. I don't want you to change that page. Everything's fine. So there we are. I've logged out. I will try to get to that as soon as I can, and I hope this makes sense to you.